Welcome back to the MixedSid channel where we do drinks, cocktails, mocktails, anything of the imagination. And today's cocktail, guys, is the Prince Harry, named after the famous ex-prince now. Right, to make the Prince Harry first, get your cocktail shaker and put some ice. Right, the first ingredient to go in, guys, is 3/4 of an ounce, which is 22.5 ml of the King's Ginger. Next ingredient, guys, is 22.5 ml or 3/4 an ounce of a dark rum. So just to mention, it's worth noting, it is a distant cousin of the dark and stormy this. So we all like a rum cocktail. Right, next ingredient to go in, guys, is 50 ml or half an ounce of fresh lime juice. And the last ingredient into the shaker is 1 dash of Angostura bitters. Right, now time to shake it for a good 8 to 10 seconds to get it nice and chilled. Right, now time to strain it into our Martini glass. The last ingredient, just top up with ginger ale. And that is how you make a Prince Harry. How does it taste? You can see where it gets its name from. It's the nice ginger colour. It's just what I imagine, really, tasting the Prince Harry. Because it's like your typical tiki cocktails, what it tastes like, especially with the rum. Because if you're a rum lover, I'd highly recommend it. It's quite sweet, actually. Because it never ever disappoints a rum cocktail, it just absolutely does. It's absolutely perfect for summer. But that is the Prince Harry cocktail. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid, as we're now on 271 subs. We're getting ever closer to 300, but our goal is 500 before the year is out, and any help towards that is really appreciated. And thank you for your support so far. But that is all for now. Have a nice day, and I will see you for the next cocktail video. Cheers.